Okay, Miss Courtney, I'm gonna very quickly. I only have like 8 minutes, but I'm gonna show you just the rundown really quick of how to upload things in our website. I'll send you the links, the different links between what the students use and then what we use to change things. I hope I wrote down the passwords. I'm sure I did. So let me see if I can make this bigger or just scoot over maybe. So when you're on this website, this is the one that we can edit. So here on the side is where we can plug things in. So this would be changing pages. So if I wanted to change something on the links and documents, this is how I would get to it on this website where we're changing. On the other website where we can't change, you just click up here. But when we're editing, we can move over there to the side. So if we wanted to change something in here, we would do change text. Oh, let me move this a little bit more. We would do change text right there, and then we could change the title of it, or we can go in here and change the document or put a website or a web address, and you would just click here and it would choose, you could pick whichever one you wanted. And then obviously done. And then let me go back to the main page because that's what you're mostly going to be doing. On the main page, if you know anything that goes here, really things that we want them to know about, you can put anything here that you want to. Just leave this portion alone. I'll still do the recordings. If you see that this hasn't been changed, go ahead and change the date. And then for yours, you would just make sure that you're clicking on just what you're wanting to change, and then put in what you want, whatever you're doing that week. And then all you have to do is type in that one. You don't have to do change text or whatever. I think it was just, let me just make sure. The main thing is just making sure. And then just type. Yeah, just type. Okay, and then once you're done, the big thing, I do it over and over and over when I'm doing things, is hit the save button. And it'll pull up, okay, I've saved it. Do you want to publish now? I always do that. I don't know why we wouldn't. Maybe if we weren't done with it, but that's okay. I don't think they're looking at it, this portion of it, until the beginning of the week anyways. So maybe not making changes Monday, Tuesday, but like Thursday, Friday, I think changing this to the next week is fine. And I think gradually doing it is fine. So anything that you want to change, then hit save. And then the books, the only thing with the books is that you would need to upload it. So you do add, and then you'd go to, oh, by the way, if you want to just add text and it's not already in there, you would hit one of these. It'd put up a text box like this, and then you just write in it. Okay, so a picture, we'd go to image, and then go to my images. And then it pulls up all the ones that I've already put in here. Excuse me, but you can go to upload images. Goodness, everything's over there. Wherever you saved your image. Oops, I've been putting them in my. I have no. It was our website. Our class website. So I've just been putting stuff in there. So if you have it here, you can click on it, and then it's going to upload into here, and then you're going to hit add to page, and then it's going to pop up, and then you can make it smaller. And see how I've put these together? You can do that because I have a hard time getting it to fit in there. So that's why I've been putting them on top of each other and grouping them. So the other thing about this section that I have set up, I love how it has different rows for the things, but what happens is if I put this in the middle, it puts it on all of them. So what I figured out is that I just have to kind of put it on the edge. And it works. The other thing is we can look at up here at the top. we can look what it looks like in a mobile view, because I think a lot of learning coaches are probably getting that email on Sunday night and on their phone, and they go straight to this. So every once in a while, this will be all messed up. So really, before I send out that email on Sunday, I go into here and make sure that nothing major is missing. The only thing that usually happens is down here where the books are. See how I move that one? Now it's way down here. So I'll grab a hold of that and pull it up and put it back where I want it. And this is not messing up the other look, the one we just did. And then when I'm happy with that, I push save. Yes, I want to publish. Okay, done. And then I can go back to the desktop this way and see what I made, and changes over there didn't do anything to here. All right, I'll send you links as well, and you know, as you're going, if you have questions, just let me know. Okay, see ya.